Hello, my name is Jose Zuniga. I'm representing expertvillage.com. Well, we planted their gardenias already, which is great. Now we're ready to mulch. As you can see, I've started already early on this part. I want to show you how to do this. First of all, there's several types of mulch. I, for one, prefer this one. That's a little bit bigger. It's almost like a size of a rock. They have a bigger size as well. They also have the one that's real shredded. I particularly enjoy this one. For once, it's more beautiful. It's going to display much better on your flower bed. The one that's shredded, every time that it rains, it's just going to disappear. It's going to wash off. And, you know, I don't want that. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is always have a border. As you can see right here, my borders that I have is the bricks. Look how beautiful this is. This is a medium-sized mulch. It's beautiful. It's going to help maintain the moisture that we need for gardenias. What you're going to do, be generous with it, just all around the plant. There we go, all around. Tons of it everywhere. Now what you need to do, when you get to the center, be sure that you kind of cone it. And the reason that you're doing this, the cone, is because the water is going to hold much better there. The moisture from the mulch is going to maintain all around the plant, and that's exactly what we need. We need to maintain the moisture. What you need to do is probably every third month or so, add a little bit more, and always have an edger so whenever you water, there's plenty of rain, it doesn't disappear. This is how we mulch for gardenias.